Now that we've had a chance to create a visualization of your data in Google Sheets and check if any differences between the treatments are significant, it's time to start thinking about what your findings tell us. As scientists, we want to know if our initial hypotheses were supported by our data or if we need to change our initial assumption of our research question. We might also want to revisit our initial model and decide whether we want to make changes to it. As scientists, we don't usually say our hypothesis was right or wrong because even with some data, we don't ever have a definitive answer to our question. More new data or research could change our thinking at any time. We can, however, say that our hypothesis was supported if the data we got matched what we predicted, or not supported if the data we got does not match what we predicted. On the next slide, you'll find some questions to answer with your research teammates to help you think about your findings and what they mean. You'll also have a chance to think back to the leaf litter decomposition model that you created and the original hypothesis you made at the beginning of the project. As you respond to the questions, you'll be getting ready to make your final recommendations to Crystal Cove State Park. Good luck, and we're excited to see what you find.